Hey everyone, welcome back. In previous video we have discussed what is TestNG and its various advantages. In this video let's see how we can install the TestNG plugin in Eclipse. There are two ways to install the TestNG plugin. The first one is to install from Eclipse Marketplace and second one is to install as a new software. In this video let's install the TestNG plugin using the Eclipse Marketplace. Let's do it practically. I'll go to my Eclipse. So here on the top you can find an option Help. Let's click on that, and here you can see an option Eclipse Marketplace. Eclipse Marketplace is similar to the Play Store of Android platform from where you can install the Android applications. Similarly, Eclipse has its own marketplace to install various plugins. So let's click on that. So now you can see Eclipse Marketplace window has got launched. This window has multiple tabs. First tab is Search, then Recent, Popular, Favorite and Installed. So if you want to search any plugin, you can use this search tab and enter the plugin name here. So I want to search for the TestNG plugin. I'll type TestNG here and I will press the enter button. So once I press the enter button, I will get the search result. So here you can notice one option is TestNG for Eclipse, right? And in the right hand side, there is a button install. So let's click on this button to install this plugin. Eclipse is fetching the data about the TestNG plugin. So now you can notice TestNG for plugin, these options are available, right? Let's click on the confirm button to proceed further. I'll click on it. Now you have to click on the finish button. So once I click on the finish button, Eclipse will install the TestNG plugin. If you want to see the progress, you can find it in the bottom. So here you can notice installing software, right? This is the trust window launched by Eclipse. You can select all by clicking on the select all button and click on trust selected button. So once you click on that, then the installation process will continue. So now you can see plugin has been installed. Now we need to restart the Eclipse. So I'll click on restart now. And now Eclipse is getting restarted. So now the Eclipse has been restarted. So if you want to confirm whether that plugin is added or not, again you can go to the marketplace and there you can find that plugin as installed. So let's see it practically. So I'll click on this help option and again we'll click on the Eclipse Marketplace, and this is the Eclipse Marketplace window. So now I want to see whether the plugin is installed or not. So I'll click on this tab Installed, where you can find all the plugins which are installed in your Eclipse, right? So here I can see TestNG plugin. This plugin is available in the installed tab, and here you are not finding the install button because it is already installed. So in case if you want to uninstall it, you can click on this drop down where you can find an option to uninstall, right? I do not want to uninstall it, so I'll cancel this window. And this is how we can install the TestNG plugin using the Eclipse Marketplace. Now let's meet in the next video and see how we can install the Eclipse plugin by using the install new software options.